guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. So this is the new story that I've been talking about, like the, what is that called? Oh yeah, the blizzard. So yeah, it's um like a winter vibes, and the location will be here, this hotel, but it's not a hotel for me. I made it as a house, and yeah, let's go to the um the story. Yeah, let's go back to the story. And yeah, by the way guys, I won't post because I have a school at Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and yeah, it's like, it's not a half day, it's a whole day. So yeah. Well, yeah, maybe Mondays and Tuesday I will, because I will just go to an event, and maybe in the night of that I could post, okay? So yeah, that's it. Let's go to our story now. Bye. Oh no. And I'll use my hands, not this, because it is currently broken. So yeah, I'm going to make a transition, but I don't know if it will be good or what. And yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, is it cool? Yeah, comment below if it's good, and yeah, let's now go back to our role play. This is the mom, and this is the dad, and yeah, maybe I'll change their names, like, yeah, sometimes, because my mind is not that good at keeping memorizing. So yeah, this is a huge family, so yeah, but his name will be David, and this is maybe okay, this is David, this is Kate, okay, and this will be he's a bit of like nonchalant, like his little brother, and yeah, that's his face. Yeah, so his name will be Zian, like Zian. So yeah, just like a girl's name, but don't worry. Okay, and the second is like fours are. This will be she is the oldest, by the way, and yeah, this is Trixie, and this is nonchalant too, so his name will be I don't know. His name is Gino, and this is Oh yeah, his name is Gino, and this is um Danielle. Okay, Danielle. So yeah, now let's go back to our roleplay. Bring, 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 bring. It's like 5 a.m., so it is still dark. Yeah. What's that? I guess that's the alarm. Okay, it's time to get up. Let me just have my glasses and yeah. It's a bit cold. Yeah, I guess that's normal because it's just 5 a.m. And yeah, I'm going to work now. Okay, but first let's eat breakfast. Let's go. Fine. Maybe I'll just have a coffee. No, you are going to eat. You aren't going to starve or anything. Okay, jeez, okay. Much better. Don't mind my fingers. Yeah. No, don't look at me like that. Okay. I'll just do, sit here. Okay. Oh wait, I'll just wake up. Zian, okay. Zian, wake up. Okay. What were you mumbling about? Meh. Okay. Hey, that's mine. Okay. Bring, bring, bring. Oh my gosh. What is that now? Okay, we just have to check. Okay. Meh. Gosh. Okay. Okay, just take off that. What is that? Is that my phone? Bring, 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 bring. Okay, I'm just ready. So blurry, like. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is. We will have a blizzard today. Oh no, they are not going to school and do their works. No, 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 no. They won't, they won't, they won't, they won't. I'll talk to them. Zian, David, you're not going to school and work because there is a blizzard coming today. What? A blizzard? Thai, I guess. Okay. Okay. You're not going to school, okay? Okay. I'll take this as a okay. Okay, I'll just warn the girls and the boys downstairs. Okay. I'm just going to going to the first floor. I'm going to have a heat or something. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to shower, okay? The water's cold, so prepare hot water. Okay, I will. Okay. Too early in the morning. So, yeah. Maybe. No, okay. I'll just sleep because there's no work today. Maybe. Let's look at our GC. Our group chat. Okay, it says... Great, we don't have a work today because of a blizzard. Okay, my wife is right and right news. She has always a right news, not a fake news. Okay, I'm just going to sleep. Voice like in Zian's POV. I don't know how to act like nonchalant, so yeah. So my second mom gave me this. It is so great, guys. Go to your like Walmart or nearby store into you could have this. Buy this because this is like a Yakult thing, yeah, or like a milk. So yeah, it is so good. So yeah, okay, let me just warn them. Where's she? She's not in bed. What? Oh, hey mom, I'm over here. What are you doing there? Preparing for school. Oh, no. You're not going to school because we have a blizzard today. Wait, really? Yes, and yeah. You're not going to school. That's final. Even if your teacher's not allowing you to, but I'm not allowing you to go to school. This is for your health, okay? Thank you, Mom. You're the best. I'm doing this for your health. And yeah. Okay, Mom, thank you very much. I love you. Love you too. Go back to bed and sleep again. Okay, thank you, Mom. Just grab this. It will be so like a winter and snowy today, and it will be cold, so you are going to have this. Thank you, Mom. It's so warm now, of course. Okay. And yeah, now I'm going to do the twins. And yeah. Guys, wake up. I have a warrant. I have a news for you. This is a bit nonchalant of him, so oh yeah. He's a bit nonchalant, so yeah. What, mommy? Morning, mommy. What's your news? Why is it cold? It's so cold. Okay, I know we will have a blizzard today, and yeah. What is a blizzard? It's like will be like like a storm of winter like that. It will be cold. Oh, okay. You will have to put that on your body and yeah, go to sleep again. We don't have school. We don't have school. Maybe you have, but I will not allow you to go to school. This is for your health. Okay, mommy. Thank you. Thanks, mom. Okay, good night. Oh, good morning, but okay, I'll take that. Good night. Good night to mommy. If you're cold, just go to to the first floor and yeah, go heat yourself. Okay, mom. Okay, mom. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to onto the third floor. I'm not going to prepare breakfast now. Gosh, this is so yummy, like guys. It's like a milk, yeah, guys. That's it. It's so yummy, 100%. Going back to the story. Okay. I'll just put this on back. Okay. Honey. Oh, okay, he's asleep. Maybe I'll have to go to sleep too. And yeah. Like for part 2. Still, he's not asleep. He's just like vibing the music. And yeah, that's it. Bye.